So I welcome all of you for this session, and this session is all about your practice session, how effectively you can use simple present tense for habitual action, regular action, and repeated action. And I want all of you to use your learning, what you have learned it from me, and what all the ideas you have accumulated, you are going to use right now for your fluency development. So are you all ready? Can we go? Yes. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. So we would like to listen to
Yes,
Sujata.
sir.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. So let's start from Sujata ma'am. What she is going to have her practice on simple present tense. So she has already attended 3 to 4 session. Now she is going to give her performance. So here we go.
Yeah, good afternoon, all. Today, I just give a simple present active passive tense. So, uh, here I'm going to tell you about my day-to-day life. So, I get up early in the morning at 5:30 to 6 o'clock. The moment I get up, I take 2 glasses of water and I brush up my teeth. Then I fresh up. After that, I do my exercise continuously 1 hour at 6:30 to 7:30. Then I do my household works. Then I take my bath. Then I do puja. Then I prepare breakfast for everyone. At 8:30, we take breakfast. Then I start my online classes. I do my school jobs till the 12 o'clock. So I busy with my school works and with my children's study part also. Then I prepare my lunch, everyday lunch. Then we take at 1:30 our lunch. Then again I busy with my studies through my online classes and different part. If my classes are not there, then I will busy with my studies and I just see YouTubes and watching so many internet. I just want to get a knowledge from the internet. So I just views all those things. Then at 4 o'clock, I prepare tea and snacks for my children, my father, and for me. Then again, I do some household works till 5:30. Then again, I'm busy with my studies and my children's studies till 7. Then at 7 to 7:30, I prepared my dinner. Then again, I'm busy with my studies and my children's studies till the 9 o'clock. Then we at 9 o'clock we take our dinner. Then again, I just make my children to sleep at 10 o'clock. Then after that, 1 or 2 hours, I just sit with my studies. Then I sleep at 12 to 1 o'clock. This
Okay.
is my day-to-day life nowadays.
Great. Now notice that how you were before classes and this time, how fluently, systematically you went on to speak. Excellent, Surata ma'am. You have done excellent. You have studied well also. Very nice. Yes, Preeti, can we start from you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I'm starting. Sir, I get up at 6 a.m. every day. Then I take a glass of warm water. Then I take a bath. Take bath. Uh, then I uh, then I prepare my breakfast. Then I take my breakfast. Then I study for an hour. Then I spend some time on YouTube. I spend some time with my daughter, and I give her breakfast, and then I prepare for my lunch. Then after that I play with my daughter, and I play with my daughter. Then I take my lunch. I take my lunch. After that, I study for an hour. Then I take my tea at evening. Uh, then I finish my housework, something like some washing my utensils, or something like that, etc. So after that, I prepare my dinner, and I take after 9 I ate at 9 a.m. 9 p.m. I take my dinner, and after 10 uh, after that I sleep at 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Sorry, sir.
Great. Amazing. Now see your success. You already almost you are going to finish 1 month, and within you haven't yet finished your month, and you started with a zero level, and now you have started speaking English without mistakes. Now effectively, and you have become how to
सर थोड़ा
be
वो
expressive.
हेजिटेशन के वजह से सर नर्वस थोड़ी हो जा रही हूँ,
वो
और
होगा, initially
नर्वस
होगा.
की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत
आपका साउंड में
गलत
पता
बोल
नहीं चल
लेती
रहे
हूँ.
हैं, या आपका साउंड में पता नहीं चल रहे हैं दैट यू आर नर्वस. Initially you may meet of nervous tendency, speech anxiety, but once you go on speaking, everything will be removed. Remember your day one में आप कैसे थे, फिर धीरे 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 आप कोर्स को कंप्लीट किया, अच्छे से पढ़ाई किया. राइट नाउ दिस इज योर रिजल्ट. विदिन ए मंथ, 1 मंथ नहीं भी हुए हैं आपका, और आप नाउ यू हैव स्टार्टेड टू स्पीक करेक्टली, इफेक्टिवली, एंड यू आर बिकमिंग every day you are becoming English communicator. This is what the result is. यही इसी को कहा था रिजल्ट, और पढ़ाई ऐसे होता है. That's a beautiful part of it. Great, great.
थैंक यू सर.
Yes, yes. तपस्विनी मैम.
तो सॉरी सर, मैं थोड़ा मेरी बेबी उठ गई है, तो मैं थोड़ा उसके साथ जाऊँ, तो
All
अभी
right,
क्लास
all right,
ओवर हो
all
गया है.
right, all right. Yes, excellent.
Okay, sir.
Good, good,
Bye.
very good. Yes, bye. Yes, Tapashini
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yes.
Myself is Tapaswini Panda. Today, good afternoon, everybody. Today, I present my day-to-day life work. So I woke up early in the morning, 5 a.m. and teeth my brush. Then I go to half an hour expense with my pet dog on the roof of our top. Then I come to prepare kada to give my husband and also me. Then I spend some time like 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. to see the TV. I go to prepare breakfast for my husband. I also engage my time for husband when he go to office. Then I start my morning work. I go to washroom, finish my washroom work, and finish my worship at 10 to 11. Every day I busy my professional work. After then I go to kitchen and prepare lunch for all my family members. Then I 12:30 p.m. wash all the clothes in washing machine, and 1 to 1:30 p.m. finish my lunch work. Then prepare to attend my English class. When my class is finished, then I take some little bit time to rest. Then after 5 p.m. again I spend 1 hour with my pet on the roof and play with them. Then I come to home and again to go washroom and finish my evening puja. So that after that I will sit half an hour to balcony for relaxation, and also with my phone and Facebook. Then 7 p.m. I come to prepare lunch, and after that I will spend all the time to my husband and read after 9:30, 10:30. I read sometimes 10:30 to 11:30. Then I go to sleep. Good night.
Great. See that, ma'am, how you started. You were fumbling a lot, but now you are not giving that much of efforts, and effortlessly you are trying to speak and becoming expressive. आप पहले कैसे थे, थोड़ा हड़बड़ा जा रहे थे, लेकिन अभी देखिए आप इतना नहीं हड़बड़ा रहे, कितने अच्छे से बोलने लगे हैं. And this is what
No, sir,
is your
I am
speaking.
telling, but you are listening. Listen. So that my difficult, you know, rightly my difficult. So you tell me, I am improved or not?
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि आप पहले पहले देखिए आप आधा आधा बोल रहे थे, बोल नहीं पा रहे थे, हड़बड़ा जा रहे थे. राइट नाउ effortlessly you are speaking.
Yes.
Okay, you are giving lot of stress to your
Thank you,
sentences and you are trying to express. देखिए एक छोटा मिस्टेक्स हो गए हैं, लेकिन वो बाद में चला जाएगा. लेकिन आपका 70% ओके एक्यूरेट फॉर्म में गया. और आप जिस तरह से बोले ना, द वे यू स्पोक इट विथ, आई नोटिस योर कॉन्फिडेंस, कितना कॉन्फिडेंस आ चुका आप में. द बोलने का तरीका बहुत चेंज हो गया है. एंड नाउ यू आर इम्प्रूविंग ए लॉट स्लोली. और टाइम आएगा, यू विल बी फ्लुएंट एंड एक्यूरेट इन योर लैंग्वेज. एक भी मिस्टेक्स नहीं होगा.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
always follow
That
the
is-
techniques. Yes, yes.
That is I expect you.
Great, great. You can expect from me this one. और छोटा मोटा जो स्लीप्स आ जाते हैं, छोटा मोटा मिस्टेक्स आते हैं, वो बोल बोल के चला जाएगा. यू गो ऑन स्पीकिंग, डोंट स्टॉप. ओके, मिस्टेक्स को नहीं
No,
देखना है.
sir. This type of mistake is not. No, sir. No, sir. This type of mistake is not for facing some problem for me, because I have only joined this class to spoken English, not official language.
True. So always remember, so whether you speak English or write English, you have
Yes.
to be accurate. Fine. Accuracy is very important part.
Yes, sir.
And always remember, mistakes are useful. मिस्टेक कर करके ही आप पूरा एक्यूरेट हो जाएंगे. एक भी गलती नहीं होगा, फ्लॉलेस स्पीकिंग होगा और फ्लुएंसी भी अच्छे से भर के आएंगे. फाइन. सो एक ही चीज के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए, गो ऑन स्पीकिंग, डोंट स्टॉप. ऑलराइट, एक्सीलेंट.
Okay, okay.
यस मनीषा.
Yes, sir.
Manisha, express your habitual action.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. I'm going to share my daily life. Every day I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. After 5 minutes, I go to washroom for freshen up. Then I make tea and prepare breakfast. After that, my husband and me have a tea. Then I prepare lunch in the morning because my husband takes homemade food. Always I give him lunch works. Then me, my son, and my husband together we have breakfast. After some time, actually daily the birds come into my balcony and I always give them food and water. I love to see them. Then I serve. Then I then I do my household works. Then I take a bath. Then I wash it, and daily I try to finish my all household work before 11:30 p.m. Then I talk on mobile some with my family members. Sometimes I talk with my friends. Then I draw picture. Sometimes I draw picture. I love sketching. And then we have lunch at 1 p.m. Then I clean kitchen and I watch video on YouTube. Sometimes I take nap. Then I have a tea at 5 p.m. After that I teach my son and I guide him for his homework. Then I prepare for dinner like kneading flour, cutting vegetables. After that I join class 7 p.m. Then I make dinner and we have dinner at 9:30 p.m. While having dinner we watch TV. And before go to the bed I have a glass of milk. And also now this is I'm starting this before sleep. I listen English music and English conversation. Thank you.
Very good. So this is the way you need to be expressive. You all have to continue up to the level you would succeed in your communication. So don't stop. जितने ज़्यादा बोलेंगे, जितने ज़्यादा बोलते जाएंगे बोलते जाएंगे बोलते जाएंगे, इतना अच्छा ठीक से होता रहेगा. Follow structure, techniques, what I'm sharing with you. और मैं आपको यहाँ I am not bringing any objection. I wanted you to speak, be expressive. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके बोलिए, और थोड़ा बहुत मिस्टेक आगे पीछे होगा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे पूरा फ्लुएंट हो जाएंगे, एक्यूरेट भी हो जाएंगे. The only part you have to work more on your speaking, and you have to use your verb forms and structures to build up beautiful sentences. This is the idea of it. So now you tell me, how did you enjoy the session? कैसा लगा? How is the session right now? Yes, Sujata ma'am, now simple present tense is over. We are going to have a new tense next session.
It's a great opportunity, you know. Through this we got actually exact technique how to speak properly without any mistake. This is a master class for me.
Great.
To know everything and each part where I can work and I can focus, so that never I will do any kind of mistake. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this techniques and teach us in this way.
Fine, very nice. Yes, Tapashini ma'am, what's your feedback? Yes, Tapashini ma'am. Yes, Manisha, what's your feedback?
Yes, I enjoyed the session and you explained very well. I'm so happy to part of this.
Great. Yes, Tapashini ma'am, Panda ma'am. Hello. Yeah, she might be stuck into somewhere or might be internet problem. Not an issue. So thank you so much. It was our beautiful session. So we learned simple present tense. So I want all of you to use simple present tense effectively, use in your writing and in your speaking. Thank you, and we'll have another session with a new tense. All the best. Bye-bye.